guys, how you doing and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because I'm working with MyFirstWigs again, honey. So first of all, I'm just going to unbox everything, show you what's in the package. They've got a new headband, they've got the clips, and they also have a comb. So when it comes to the hair, I was so excited to try this out because look at it, guys. It is stunning. I was in desperate need of a new bob. So obviously this is just perfect because it's already done. So you already have the bands in. The front is already bleached and plucked. I didn't even wash this wig because I was so excited. So just look at the hairline, guys. It is stunning. It's beautiful. It's a real HD Swiss lace skin melt invisible wig. Literally, it's beautiful. It's a Malaysian hair blunt cut bob, and it's got like a relaxed texture, so it kind of like mimics the black hair because of the Yaki in it as well. It's stunning. The cap construction is 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's so beginner friendly. I feel like I'm a novice and I've just started to do my own wigs again, so like this is just so perfect for me. So I'm going to start by applying this. So just cut off the lace at the sides, and I've just started to like use the lace at the front to kind of help me map out my hairline, because normally I just cut it straight away and I always cut it too far up. And as usual, I'm only using Got To Be just to give my edges a break, and I feel like this just sticks it down perfectly. So nice, and I just love the lace. I feel like the lace was just so easy to work with, and I did this with a full face of makeup on, which I don't suggest that you do because the makeup gets in the lace, but regardless, this still came out really nice. So yeah, keep watching, guys. So as you can see, yes, the lace looks good, but you can still see the Got To Be and everything like that. But imagine I cleaned that up easy, honey. But first I thought, let me just tackle these baby hairs because that also gets caught up in the makeup and we don't have time. And look how easy it was just to lay my edges, honey. It was just flawless. I put the big baby hairs because I just like them. They make my face look good. And I'm going in with a tinted hair mousse. This is from Daydream Hair and Beauty. And I just put that on the lace just to make it blend in with my own hairline and act like nothing even happened. So once again, we set it and then look at that. Ooh, amazing. So I'm using this thing that I always forget the name of, Edge Tamer, whatever it's meant to be, just to kind of set the hair. And it's just so nice to have a wig whereby the baby hairs are showing. It looks like my hairline. It's not boxed in. It doesn't look like a helmet. It just straightens really nice with the hot comb, and it also straightens really nice with the straighteners. This Malaysian Yaki textured relaxed looking hair is so beautiful. It was just so easy to work with, so easy to manipulate, and it just looked so natural, and I'm just so happy that it came out really nice. I didn't want to mess this up, guys. I never do, because I just feel like I need to show it off in its best light. Perfect for beginners. I still think I'm a beginner. I don't know, but regardless, this looks professional. Thank you, MyFirstWigs. guys, how are you doing? Oh, I feel amazing. I finally got a new bob, and do you want to know who it's from? My fave, MyFirstWigs, honey. Oh, I'm so happy to be doing a collab again. Like, look at the hair, look at the lace, and honey, I'm a novice. Obviously, I think I did a baby hair is too far up, but regardless, honey, who cares? Like, the perfection of it all is just a bit long. I feel good, but yeah, I feel amazing. I feel, it's about how you feel first and foremost. I feel freaking fantastic. The lace is everything. I love the fact that this wig here is actually a Yaki texture bob, so it actually mimics your own natural hair, so that gives me like a little bit of an edge. Like, it's mine, honey, you know. I think my natural hair is actually this length, but yeah. I think I prefer just styling a bob than actually trying to do my natural hair in a bob, honey. I feel like I have helmet hair because my hair's thick and it just sticks up. This wig does not shed. This wig does not do anything but just be given what it's meant to be given. A bob, honey. Look at the back. It's such a nice blunt cut. It looks great. I feel good, and it only took me what, an hour to put this on and to film, honey. And I kept going back and forth fixing my makeup at the front because the makeup really does affect when you put your hair on, so it's best to have a clean forehead, you know. Don't be like me, but you know, this is just so amazing. I love it. It feels it feels so good, and I'm just grateful that I've got a new bob because the other one, it was getting old. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you like this bob wig. Please do check out MyFirstWigs. All the information will be in the description bar below, so please do check that out. I love this look. Come on, Dora the Explorer. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Pick up yourselves. Bye, G's. Bye.